All right, if you're clicking on this video, chances are your battery's dead in your car. You went to go jumping with your jump pack, and the jump pack's dead too. But not only that, it's completely dead. You can't even put a charge onto it. You're pissed. We get it, we've been there. Lucky for you, we figured out a way to fix this problem, and we're gonna show you how. We're here to help. It gets late, she gets tragic. So we're living in a world without it. All right, so pack's dead. You go to plug it in, you get nothing out of it, right? You go to charge it. Normally it would indicate some sort of charge, some sort of life in this thing, right? You're not getting anything. And that sucks. All hope is lost. Well, what you want to do is get a couple things. You're going to need a USB-C to positive and negative cable. Find that online. We're going to put a link to the Amazon listing in the video description. You take that, you plug it into the USB in and out, okay? And what you're going to do is get yourself a little power supply. Yeah, there's cheap ones on Amazon. We'll link to this one that we got. You get yourself going. You know, you want to be low voltage here. Figure we'll chill at, I don't know. Let's go 5 volts. All right. There we go. Yeah, 5.3, fine. What you're gonna do now too, you're gonna take your leads that you put on the car. All right. You got the jumper from your power source, okay? Little worm clips. You're gonna connect negative to negative, okay? And we're not gonna use the positive coming off this at all, okay? And then you're gonna take positive to positive here on the NOCO and clip that in. And you're gonna feed it a little bit, okay? Going 5, 9, 6 volts, okay? This is gonna excite the battery pack inside to let it know that charge needs to come through. You're gonna let it sit like this for a little bit just to have this thing excite again. And then we're gonna plug it back in and hopefully the NOCO will recognize charge coming into the charge port. It's pretty easy. You're just basically like reverse signaling the battery pack inside, all right? So let this sit and then we'll plug it back in and hopefully get a charge going. All right, so it's been about 15 minutes. We're keeping an eye on it. Obviously don't want to leave this thing fully unattended, but push our button. Seems like the battery pack is back to life. It's getting signal again, so we're gonna try and plug it into the charger and see if it's actually excited to even function again, okay? So we'll disconnect our setup here. All right. Take our USB-C, plug it in from the wall. See what we got. Boom, power. She's back. Let it charge. It's gonna charge now normal, but the pack is no longer dead. Leave it plugged in like you normally would for a couple hours, get a full charge back on it, you're good to go. Problem solved.